Hello everyone, it is GGTutorial here. I haven't done tutorials lately because I'm out of ideas. So please tell me if you have problems with something. I try to make tutorial about it. So yeah, today I'm going to show you how you can get every single tf2 sound, like heavy sound, demo man sound, everything. First you have to download GGTutorial. Open it, go to File, Open, and go to Steam Apps folder. Go to Team Fortress 2 Content, tf2, click it 2 times, and Sounds, and go to this woo file. If we open it, you can see every single file in here. You can just extract them with single one if you don't want every single one of them, but we are going to extract every single one of them. So mouse to file there. Oh fuck, I can't speak today. Sorry, file there and extract. I won't extract it because I have done it. That can take a little while because it's kinda big folder. But when you have done it, you can close the program. As you can see, I have extract all of them. Go to Woo and tada, every single voice. You can play them if you want. I won't. And if you extract those other files, you have like door sounds, physics, like body, some clock ticking, weapons, really useful stuff if you are doing movie. So yeah, that's the tutorial. I hope it helped you. Yeah, bye.